वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। तो पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। इस वीडियो में हम अनेरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन देखने वाले हैं। अनेरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन विच टेक प्लेस इन एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, जहाँ पे कार्बोहाइड्रेट ऑक्सीडाइज होता है इन एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज जनरेटेड। जैसे एरोबिक में 38 एटीपी बनता है, वैसे अनेरोबिक में ओनली 2 एटीपीज आर formed. This take place in two steps. Step 1 glycolysis and step 2 is fermentation. तो चलो हम फर्स्ट ऑलरेडी ग्लाइकोलिसिस हमने देखा है। ग्लाइकोलिसिस मीन्स वन ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल इज oxidized step by step and produces two molecule of pyruvic acid. This process take place in cytoplasm and it also produces ATP, NADH2 and water. Whereas in step 2 it is fermentation, where pyruvic acids are converted into organic acid or alcohol with the help of enzymes. This is called as fermentation. So यहाँ पे जो ग्लूकोज है it is incompletely oxidized or partially oxidized. The process of fermentation occurs in cytoplasm and it produces only 2 ATPs. तो यहाँ पे less energy production होता है. For example, seeds perform anaerobic respiration if soil is submerged under the water during germination. Yes, कभी-कभी higher plants as well as animals also perform anaerobic respiration जब oxygen deficiency होता है. Second example, our muscle cell also perform anaerobic respiration while performing exercise. Due to this, less amount of energy is produced in our body and lactic acid accumulates or stored, due to which we feel tired or we feel muscle pain. Anaerobic respiration. The steps are given. In step 1, glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. This takes place in cytoplasm and it also releases 2 ATP, 2 NADH2 and 2 H2O. Now the second step is fermentation. So fermentation, if it is taking place in yeast, it produces alcohol, and if fermentation taking place in erythrocyte or muscle cell, it produces lactic acid by using pyruvic acid. And in both these processes the NADH2 जो हमारा ग्लाइकोलिसिस में बना है वो यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा, इसीलिए हमारा यहाँ पे एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन कम होता है. The flowchart is given here of anaerobic respiration. In central process, central flowchart, glucose is converted into vinegar or vitamins by various microbes, or by yeast it produces alcohol, or in muscle cell the lactic acid is produced. So the important questions from this topic are given here. Thank you.